Hello, hi! Two Filipino aunties are back. Now, Ate Esper is going to cook Pancit Bihon. Pancit Bihon, she always bring this in our place where we worked before. And we like it because it's really good. She know how to cook Pancit Bihon. Okay, Ate Esper, show us.
Alright, okay. I'm gonna show you first the ingredients, okay? And so this is just simple, Pancit Bihon, guys. We have 4 tablespoons of cooking oil. We have 8 cloves of garlic, which is minced. And also we have 1 medium size of onions. This is chopped. Half pound of shredded chicken. It's already pre-cooked because I boiled the chicken for the broth, for the chicken broth. Okay, and also we have this Chinese sausage. It's like 6 pieces, which I cut, slice it. And also we have half pound of shrimps. We have 1 cup of mushrooms. And we got snow peas. We have like 2 cups in here. 1 cup of shredded carrots. And we have 1/4 head of cabbage, which is shredded also. And we have 1 cup of celery, or you can use parsley if you don't have celery. Mm-hmm. And we have a half cup of spring onions or scallions. We have, for the seasoning, we have 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce, and also 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper. But the most important thing, of course, is the bihon. I'm using an excellent rice stick bihon here. Okay, it's a 16 ounces bihon noodle, okay? And this one came all the way from the Philippines also. Okay, and so the first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna saute the onions and the garlic, so, okay? First, the cooking oil.
Any cooking oil, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's not that hot yet. And then this one, that's the broth. I'm boiling the broth right now. And we're gonna be sauteing the garlic. It's like 8 cloves and it's minced. This is Vince's favorite also, so right?
Okay. They know pancit.
They know pancit. After sauteing the garlic and the onions, we're gonna be putting the shredded chicken. Okay, we're gonna be sauteing also the shredded chicken here. And then we're gonna be putting the Chinese sausage. This is already pre-cooked, so I slice it and boil it in a small amount of water. That will be faster. And we're gonna be putting the shrimp. Okay, after sauteing the chicken, the Chinese sausage, and also the shrimp, we can put a little bit of soy sauce, okay? Just for the taste. We'll cook it first. After putting the meat and the shrimp, we're gonna be putting the vegetable ingredients. Okay, we have straw mushrooms. The mushrooms help to the taste also of the pancit. Yeah, you can, if you don't have mushroom, you don't have to put it. Yeah, I know. It's shredded already, yeah. The next thing is the snow peas. I put the snow peas first before the carrots because the carrots are shredded finely. And so, and then the carrots. But if you cut the carrots bigger, then you have to put the carrots first before the snow peas here. Over for a few minutes. The this takes a while also. Oh, just take this off. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this thing. Okay, the next thing that we're gonna put the celery. Okay, we're gonna close it for like the vegetables. They're cooked, and so we're gonna transfer it to the other pot. Okay, so the next thing that we're gonna cook is the bihon or the noodles, okay? And so we have around 4 cups of chicken broth, which I boiled earlier. And we're gonna be getting some of the sauce here so that it has taste also from the vegetables and from the shrimp. And the next thing that we're gonna do, we have to put some soy sauce in this chicken broth. And this is oyster sauce I'm putting in. This is like an additional one. If you don't have oyster sauce, that's fine also. It's extra taste to it also. And now before putting the bihon, we have to taste, you know, if the taste is okay. The taste itself. I think we have to put a little bit with Saute. Let's be salty a little bit.
Yeah. When you mix this, it will absorb itself.
Yeah. No, maybe we can put a little bit of this. That we're gonna do, we're gonna be putting the bihon, which is soaked like what 3 minutes on the cold water. We don't cut the bihon because we have a belief that it symbolizes long life. Okay, and so on birthdays, we usually prepare, bless you, we usually prepare Pancit Bihon. And we don't cut it, okay? We leave it long so that we'll have a long life. We're gonna be mixing the scallions or the spring onions on the bihon. Okay, it's almost cooked. The noodle is already cooked, okay, the bihon. And so what we're gonna do, we be mixing it with the vegetables, okay? That's what we're gonna be putting it on top, okay? This Pancit Bihon recipe has been
Popular demand.
yeah,
Popular demand.
requested by one of our viewers, Flor de Lisa
Again?
Claire, again, yes, and also Amanda. And so this is for you, Flor de Lisa Claire, and also Amanda. And also this is the birthday month of my brother, October.
That's good.
And so this is for you, Brad. We usually cook pancit when there's a birthday party. Symbolizes long life, guys.
Looks yummy. No.
Okay. This is the
you
finished
go.
product. Now we're gonna taste it, okay?
Okay, we're going to taste the
The pancit.
Pancit Bihon made by Ate Esper.
This is the
Okay,
finished product, guys, okay?
let's go.
All right. And so we usually put lemon. We squeeze lemon on the pancit. And also if you need more soy sauce on it, we put some fish sauce.
Fish sauce, yeah.
Yeah, to taste. Okay, and so anyway, the 6 tablespoons of soy sauce, I was not able to put everything, okay? Maybe around only like 4 tablespoons I used, okay? So guys, we'll taste it.
Alright.
Okay.
Let's see.
I usually,
Saan si Kuya Sid?
okay.
Ayun mo na.
Hindi yan
Nagugutom na
masyado.
yan.
Hindi masyado, okay na. That's enough, so thank you. Okay, and so this is the fish sauce if you want to put a little bit.
Baka naman to.
Not just a little bit. For the taste. For the taste. And squeeze some lemon on it.
Yes, dali ka na.
So guys, this is a Pancit Bihon recipe.
Good.
It's good,
Really
so?
good, yeah.
Let me say.
Really good. You can really taste the sausage.
Mm.
Really good.
You're like in the Philippines.
Mm-hmm.
Eating this Pancit Bihon, you know?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Amanda, Pancit Bihon. And also for Claire.
This is what they sell.
Yeah.
The taste is the same.
The same, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
So good.
Mm.
I remember when you were bringing there at work, everyone likes your pancit.
Mm. Everybody likes Pancit.
Mm-hmm. So good.
So guys, continue to follow us and don't forget to subscribe, okay? And share to your friends. Until next time.